Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today we are going to start our chapter number 4, more on Scratch. Let's start with hard word Scratch. Scratch is a programming language. Next one is Sprite. Sprite is an object that perform actions. Stage. Stage is a working area to perform actions. And last one is custom paint, containing list of costume. In this chapter we will learn about Scratch, components of Scratch window, working with blocks, changing backdrop of stage, adding a new sprite, and working with two sprites. So let's start our chapter number 4, more on Scratch. We have already learned about Scratch in our previous class. It is a programming language designed to be fun, educational, and easy to learn. It includes tools for creating interactive stories, games, arts, and even more. Scratch has its own inbuilt paint editor and sound editor. Scratch is a drag and drop programming language. It is a drag and drop programming language where program is done by dragging blocks from the block palettes that we already learned in our previous class. Now again learn about the components of Scratch window. We have already learned some components of Scratch window. Today let's learn more about components of Scratch windows. Sprite. So it is a sprite. It is an object that perform action in Scratch. There are many inbuilt sprites available in Scratch. Cat is a default sprite display on a Scratch. Default means whenever we are opening a program. It is a stage. It is a working area to perform action. Here sprite moves and interact whatever the movement you are giving with the stage. It contains x and y coordinates on the right corner of the stage, which display the position of mouse. It is a script area. It is the place where we pick and drop blocks. It is a place where we pick and drop blocks. It is a block palette. It is the area where related instructions are grouped together. It is a toolbar. It is the topmost bar of the Scratch window, contains options like file, edit, tips, and about. The toolbar contains 4 different tools to perform different functions. They are called cursor, toolbar. So here we having duplicate. This tool creates the duplicate copy of selected sprite. This one is delete. This tool deletes the selected sprite. Third one is grow sprite. This tool increases the size of sprite. Increase means the size will be increase. It will become bigger. Shrink sprite. This tool reduces the size of sprite. The sprite becomes smaller. So these are the cursor tools, 4 cursors tool. Now let's learn about sprite pen. The sprite's pen contains thumbnails of sprites. Follow these steps to create a new sprites. Step number 1. Here we having sprites pen. Click on a select sprite from the library available in Scratch program. Click to paint a new sprite in Paint Editor. If you want to create your own sprite, click on to upload a new sprite from file in a computer. If you want to upload any sprite from your computer, click on to take photograph for a new sprite using a web camera. Custom pen. The custom pen contains costume pen contains list of costumes of the selected sprite. The new costume can be added by clicking on the following. Step number 1. Click on the selected costume from the library available in the Scratch program. Click on the select new. Click on the print new costume in a Paint Editor. Click on upload new costume from a file stored in your computer. Click to upload photo from a new costume using web camera. Click on the photo that you want to take from web camera. Sound pen. Sound pen contains list of audio clips. A new sound can be added by clicking on the following. Step number 1. Click on sound pen. Click on the choose sound from library available in Scratch program. Click on record new sound using sound recorder program. Click on upload a new sound from file stored in your computer. Working with blocks. Look blocks. Look blocks are used to control the appearance of sprite, means look of sprite. They are purple colored coded. Look blocks are purple color coded. They control the look, size and position of sprite. It displays the text for special period of time. So here it is a look block. Here you can see it displays the text in speech bubble. Next one, it displays the thought for a specific period of time. That is think option, say and think option. It displays the thought in bubble, think option only. It shows and hide options for sprite. Show and hide will show and hide option for sprite. It defines the costume or backdrop. It defines costume or backdrop. It changes the color effect. Change color option changes the color effect. Next, it changes the size of sprite block. Change size option changes the size of sprite blocks. It shows the costume number, backdrop name, and sprite size of the sprite on the stage. So here we are ending our video. We will learn more thing on Scratch in our next video. Thank you, students. Bye bye.